Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord screen share audio not working Android. So first, go to your Discord application. Then at the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Scroll down and look for voice. All you need to do is select voice activity on input mode. Then the other option is go back to your home page and go to Play Store. You need to update your Discord. Now, the last option, go to Settings and look for Apps. Click on that, then look for Discord. Click on Discord, scroll down again, and click Storage. Then you'll need to clear data and clear cache. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.